Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy items from Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with the sign in button by using your credentials. After you have been logged in, you will return back into the home page from which you can search for various items that you can buy. Now, when you find an item that you are interested in, you can simply click on it and you will be able to see the details. Now, if you wish to buy this item right away, you can click on the Start Order button and now you can choose the various features of the product. Once you have chosen your option, you can click on the Continue to Order button and now you will be asked to enter your shipping address. Enter your country or region, followed by your first and your last name, as well as your phone number. Then enter your street address, your apartment, your building or suite number, and then enter the state or province, followed by the city and postal code. Finally, click on the Continue to Payment button, and you will be asked to choose your payment method. Proceed forward with adding a payment method if you don't have one already. And once you complete your payment information, you can proceed forward with your payment. Once your payment has been made, you will get an email notification letting you know about your order and when it will be delivered. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to order items from Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.